Hello guys, I haven't seen you for a while. Welcome to my channel. The people from Artisul were very kind to send me a drawing tablet, and they invited me to make a review of their product. It's about the model Artisul D16Pro, an improved version of the model D16. So let's see what we have here. 50.6-inch screen, read rate up to 300 pps, 9020 by 1080 Full HD, 90% of Adobe RGB color gamut, 8192 temperature and 16 degrees tilt recognition. It's compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later, and the price is $379. I don't have experience with other tablets of the market, but I can compare it with my current Cintiq 13 HD, an old model from Wacom. So it's a good price if we see that specifications. Now let's start with the unboxing. The box looks good and has materials that feels like it's a premium product. The first thing we see when open the box is the tablet, and below are the rest of the accessories. The tablet is lightweight for a monitor, materials has good quality, and the screen has a protective sheet that we will remove later. This is the stand. It has adjustable angles, the pen, some cable for the connection, pen nib replacement, a pen case. In this small box is the power adapter for the region. I'm gonna open the pen. Whoa, it's really lightweight. There is also included a glove, a cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide. The connection is very simple. Just take those three accessories, connect the tablet to the PC, and connect the power adapter to the both device. To get the drivers, go to the official page of Artisul and download the latest version for your computer. The software is very simple, but it works. We can configure our work area, and it's very important to calibrate our pencil. We can also use in the monitor like a graphic tablet. That's useful in a kind of emergency. For example, if you don't have enough HDMI connections, we can change the pressure of our pencil and configure the buttons, including the quick dial. But I wish there were more options for it. And finally, we can import or export our configurations. It's time to the funniest part. I'm going to make a little demonstrations drawing a color doodle of one of my characters, Scarpney. It's the first time that I use a monitor with such a color gamut, so the color saturation is quite bright. I think I need to get used to it. The screen size is very comfortable for me. I think this type of tablet of medium size are perfect for me, because I draw using mostly my wrist. This means that my working area isn't that big. The screen is full laminated. This prevents reflection, which is essential. It also provides a texture that makes you feel that you are drawing on paper. I love that sensation. The stand is stable, but I would like it to have more inclination levels. Now it's time to speak about the drawing quality. The report rate and pressure levels are enough for a good precision. I can draw very well with this tablet. But when I make extensive and fast strokes, the cursor expresses some lag. This makes the experience feels a bit strange, at least in my case. A negative point is the pen, which doesn't have the best materials. Even its buttons feels a bit strange. About the tablet buttons, all of them respond very well. I love the quick dial and how it feels when you roll the disc. Bonus points, it also has pretty colors. Yes, I would like to be able to configure it to switch between two actions and not three, which is uncomfortable for me, but I didn't find the way to do it. In conclusion, Artisul D16Pro is a tablet with a good quality price factor. The size, colors, and precision when you draw are very good, in addition to offering some extra options. Based on my experience with Wacom, I think Artisul is a great alternative, thanks to its lower cost. But I recommend comparing it to other brands in its price range, to be sure. The points for improvement are the simplest software and low customization. The pen could be better, and that strange lag when you're doing big strokes. You can find the tablet in the description. Artisul makes offers from the time to time, so that gives more points to the tablet, and that's amazing. Thanks for watching my review. I apologize for my poor English. You can enjoy the rest of the speed painting from now on. Have fun drawing!